is focused based on WhatsApp auto reply. WhatsApp auto reply. With the app which is called autoresponder, which is here. This autoresponder for WhatsApp, which is here. So for you to get the app, check under the description of this video to get the app. So I would advise you download the one under the description of this video, because any video I upload, I make sure that the app I'm using is, I make it easy, very easier for people watching it to get the app directly to their phone instead of going somewhere else or Google to get the app. So here is the app autoresponder which we are going to use. So I'm going to click on it right away. So if you are just downloading this app, all this is not going to be shown, like receive, send, receive, send, receive, send. It's not going to be shown. So that is it. Then you click on this three dots here. Click on the three dots here. You just go to your settings. I want to show you guys some things before you do any other thing at all. So you choose, like, I don't know the WhatsApp you use, whether it's WhatsApp business or WhatsApp itself, which is the official one, and GB WhatsApp, which is which acts as the top party to WhatsApp. So you choose which one you want to use. Is it WhatsApp, or is it WhatsApp business, or is it GB WhatsApp? Do you get this? Any is for, maybe for, it can be just be for WhatsApp business, or GB WhatsApp. That means it's going to work for the three. And the custom is like, you want just WhatsApp and WhatsApp business to work. So to me, I'm going to choose WhatsApp. In here, I don't think you will, your app log, maybe you want to add screen access to the autoresponder with your pin. That is for that. So I think you don't need all this. You don't really need all this. So this is just the one I just want you guys to understand, to know whether you are using WhatsApp or you are using WhatsApp business or GB WhatsApp, the one that you really want it to work on. You understand? So that is it. We are done here. You go back. So if now this I will start, you click on this plus sign that is here, down here, the plus sign. You click on the plus sign. So now we are here, which what we are here for is what we want to do now. So this exact match, the exact match is like, for example, maybe exact match, for example, you want this person to send you done. You just want the person to send you done. You just want, once anybody on your WhatsApp or WhatsApp business or any WhatsApp on your phone, once the person sends you done, then this is the message that you want it to be sent to that person automatically. You get? You want this message to be sent to that person automatically. Maybe say okay, all right, okay. Now this is the message you want it to be sent to that person. When that person reply done, we get okay. Maybe that is for that. So maybe the message is not enough, you want to add, you can just click on this plus sign. Shall we get? You say okay, all right, I will get back to you. Get back to you. So, and that will be the next message after okay, all right. And the next message that will enter is I will get back to you. And if really the message you want to send is all about you sending a message that you want, you understand, because is what you want. What you want is what is going to be done to this exact message, because it's just gonna give the exact, when this autoresponder have received the exact word which is related to the exact match of this done, then this message will be sent to that person. Okay, all right. And the next message which you already insert will be I will get back to you. Back to you later. And you can add as many as you want. So that is how exact match work. So let us go to this delay in second. Delay in second means by maybe the time after the person have sent done, in how many minutes, whether in 1 minute or in 2 or in 4 or in 3. So this second one, which is mass, is talking about the seconds, whether you want it to be in 10 seconds the person should receive the message. But I would say you shouldn't bother yourself in doing to maybe to touch um to edit anything minutes or seconds here, because once you've already set this, once the person has sent done, then the person is going to quickly receive this message immediately. So that is it. This one we don't need process messages with dialogue flow. It's really big technical. So individual, when we talk about individual, maybe the individual are your friends, those people set total number of WhatsApp contact list on your phone, they are individuals. But when we come to group, let me say group, if anybody should send you done from the group or any group that you belong to, either WhatsApp, GB WhatsApp, or WhatsApp for business, then this particular person that sent done must receive this message that you type, which is okay, all right, I will get back to you later. So if you not choose both, all right, it's not bad. That means you are willing that both individual and the group you belong to are going to receive both messages, which is okay, all right, I'll get back to you later, after them sending done to you, to you. So the next one is specific contacts. This specific contact is like the set, I mean, they are you are trying to meet up with some set of persons, I mean targets, you are trying to target some set of persons that they need to receive this message after they've sent done. So that is what is all about specific contact. Then when you now come to ignored contact, the contacts, these are contacts that you don't want them to receive this message even though after them sending it done. So you ignore them, you ignore them from them receiving this message even after they've sent it done. So you just need to set it from here. From this place, you choose your contact, you allow it. So you select the ignore contact from, it's going to show the number to you. There's here the number, my WhatsApp contact list. So that is it. So the same thing you apply to specific contact. So in condition, here is condition, reply only at specific time, maybe the time you want the person to receive the message. Reply only if previous rule was executed within the last S. This is just about the condition, how you want the message to be. Reply only if ring guy is silent. Reply only with a certain probability. Reply only if screen is off or locked. This is about you on your phone. Maybe when the screen is off, you want it to reply, or locked, you want it to reply. So reply only if do not disturb mode is active. Reply only if calm mode is active. So these are conditions that you have to apply to your exact match of message. So don't think you really need all these, but if you want to, you can just go. You don't really need all these. These conditions, but you may need ignore contact, specific contact, but you don't really need it. But if in as much you want anybody that send it done, and you want the person to quickly receive the message, okay, all right, I will get back to you later. So that's for exact match. Then when we go to similarity match works like this. This is how similarity works. Similarity match is like, let me say for example, let me put the word email marketing. Let me put the word email marketing. So when we talk about email marketing now, for example, someone just sent you someone sent you email marketing. That means the person is going to receive the message, okay, all right, I will get back to you later. Or the person sent email, the same way the person is going to receive the message, okay, all right, I will get back to you later. Or let me now say the person now sent you marketing. In the same way, the person is going to receive the message, okay, all right, I'll get back to you later. So that is that about similarity match. If you just talk about exact match, which is the exact word, but this one is talking about similar words to the word that need to be received, which are similar to what we've just written here. Email marketing, you can as well add, you can as well add, but it must be similar to what is written here. So when we now talk about pattern match, these are a bit technical, this one bit technical, and this one, welcome message is as let me say, is as maybe a new person now, a new number, WhatsApp contact list, just throw a message to you. You can see you cannot edit anything here from the received message. A new contact at all, let me say, for the first time you are just using this app as welcome message. If someone should receive this message for the first time, you are just using this app as welcome message, then this person is going to receive this what's it called, this okay, all right, I'll get back to you later, as first timer. You understand? Just as welcome message, maybe a new number just message up, immediately the person is going to receive this message, okay, all right, I will get back to you later. Okay, right. And also your friends that you have already can as well receive this message, okay, all right, I'll get back to you later. It's just that you are just applying it. But once the person has received this message, so there is no way the person can receive the message again. No. The only way now, after welcome message, the only way whereby you want the person to continuously receive this message, it is when you put everything you press this all here. You press the all. You click on this all here. And this all the person will continue to receive the message. Now, let us go back in this exact match. Now, let us put the word done. Okay, done. Okay, let me put the word. I don't want to use done. Let me put the word yes, it's all right. Yes, it's good. Let me use the word yet it's good. Okay, now I'm going to use the word it's good, and the reply will be okay, all right, I'll get back to you later. We get? All right. So what I'm going to do is just to press this mark here. Press it. Once I clicked on it, then I want to make sure that what you don't have to wait for someone to send you this message before you can experience that it's really working. No, there's a way you can just make a test over it. You click this here, test your role. You click on it, and someone will okay, let me say for example now, what's our message? Let me check our message. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yes, it's good. Yes, it's good. It's good. And this, you see that, okay, all right, I will get back to you later. It's as simple as that. Just that the person just has to send exact message. Yes, it's good. The more the person continues sending yes, it's good, the more is going to automatically send the message to the person, okay, all right, I'll get back to you later. So that's it, as easy as that. So now going to similarity. Now we are done with exact. Now I want to implement similarity. Now how it works. The similarity might be a bit kind of technical, some kind. So let me say the message that needs to be sent. Let me say, okay, I have signed. Okay, let us just use that word. Okay, I have signed. Okay, all right. We'll be back. All right, let me use it. All right. You can also add as many continuation of this, but you can add another tab. We get back to you in 10 minutes time. We get back to you. Get back to you in 10 minutes time. In 10 minutes time. So that is it. In 10 minutes time, we get back to you in 10 minutes time. So this similarity match, this is how it works. Okay, I have signed. Okay, I have signed, and you to reply what you willing for the person to get after the person have sent okay I have signed, which is the similarity match which we have on right now. And the message you want the person to receive is all right, we get back to you, but we get back to you in 10 minutes time. And this is the message you want the person to receive. So you just click this, because you just click this. All right, then it will not test our rule. Okay, let us reply okay first, whether we are going to get any reply at all. Don't. Okay, let me put this. Okay, I have signed. Let me put the word I have signed. That's why I say it's bit technical. I have signed. I think this will go. Okay, I have signed. I have signed. That means they count the word okay meaningless. It's like it's very very simple. It's not even technical. Yeah, it's very very simple. It's just that similarity matches have to be about or what the message is all about. I mean, message that need to be the message that need to be derived, which is received. I have signed, not the okay. No, okay may not be the what is going to trigger the reply, automatic reply, but I have signed is what like you're going to, when someone if for example someone just say I have signed, like if for example now I told someone I have signed, so there's a probability that I need to receive a reply immediately. I have signed. But when I just say okay and the person is trying to tell me that okay sign, just sign, and you just said okay, you don't expect to get any reply. But when you say I have signed, then you are expected to get reply. You are expected to get reply. Okay, because that will trigger the person to reply, and it has just triggered the message to send automatically. Now, let me see for example now. Okay, what's it called? It's just a similarity match is like text, like sentence. Sorry, sentence. When is about complete sentence. The sentence is meaningful. The sentence is kind of is just meaningful. Is kind of straightforward. That is a line. So let me see. How should I start? How should I start? How should I start? How should I start? The journey. Yeah. The journey. How should I start the journey? Okay, for example now, there is this similarity now. If you wish to break it down, it's we can use, someone can reply in two ways from here. Okay, number one is how should I start? And number two is I start the journey. Does it sound so good? How should I start? I start the journey. I start the journey. Okay, let us try it. How should I start is the first thing that we use, whether we are going to receive this message or I start the journey. We tried it too first. So yeah, we test the rule. How should I start? Should I start? Wow, we received was okay. Or let us use the word I start the journey also. I start the journey. I start the journey. Wow, the same thing. Or let us do start the journey. Start the journey. You can see, so cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Very cool. Very nice and cool. So that is how it works for similarity match. That's how similarity match works. So now we go to leaf pattern match and expert pattern matching. It's very technical, very technical. So we go to welcome message. This welcome message is for everyone. Everyone, you using this app for the first time, everybody has to receive this message. Everyone. This happens when you are promoting your, maybe welcome message happen when you are a WhatsApp TV uh, owner or Instagram. You have this business model, you understand? You are that type of person that can use this, or you are a content creator on YouTube or TikTok or any other place. You just tell them to subscribe or follow you up anywhere in other social media, and people follow up when you have a good content. So that's how it works. So that's this are the type of person that can use this welcome message, and that is how record messages. You don't have to write anything here. You can't write anything as received. You just put the message that you want to the person to receive. So that is it. So there is this one again, which is the or, which I already explained. This or is like, this is how it works. Each time any person sends you message, you just want the person to receive this message. Each time again the person sent you message again, you just want to say the person to receive this message. It's just going to be continuously. That is how it is. So we are done here. When you can off it, you can on it, you can off it, you can on it. Each message you can on it and you can off it. You can on it, you can off it. And also you can off everything directly from here. You've just offed it, everything. So nothing is going to work. So you on it back. So that is how it is. So that's how to do auto respond there on WhatsApp. And thank you guys, both on WhatsApp, WhatsApp business, or JB WhatsApp, anyone at all. All right, thank you. I love you guys, and I love you guys to see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you.